Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to our channel, The Animal Park. Today, we are exploring the lives of some of the jungle's most fascinating creatures, prey animals, from the striped zebra to the graceful giraffe. These animals have evolved incredible skills to survive in the wild. Get ready to discover fun and surprising facts about how they stay one step ahead of their predators. Let's jump right in. First up is the iconic zebra. With its bold black and white stripes, did you know no two zebras have the same stripe pattern? Scientists believe these stripes confuse predators by making it difficult to single out one zebra in a moving herd. Zebras are also super social, often forming a tight night herds for protection and companionship. Their strong kick is a powerful defense, capable of injuring even the fiercest predators. Amazing, right? Next, we have the tallest animals on earth, the giraffe. These gentle giants can grow up to 18 feet tall, allowing them to reach leaves that no other animals can. But their height isn't just for eating, it also helps them spot predators from far away. Giraffes have a powerful kick that can shatter a lion's jaw. Amazing, right? Next is the deer. The deer is a symbol of grace and agility. Known for their speed, some species of deer can run up to 30 miles per hour and leap as high as 10 feet in a single bound to escape predators. They also have excellent hearing, shoveling their ears in different directions to detect danger. But did you know that the deer are also amazing swimmers? Wow! Next up, the mules. Mules are famous for their strength and endurance, making them excellent travelers in tough terrain. But did you know they are also incredibly smart? Mules are cautious by nature, often refusing to do anything they perceive as dangerous. Their powerful hind legs can deliver a kick strong enough to deter even the boldest attacker. Amazing! And finally, the horse, an animal known for its speed, strength, and beauty. Wild horses are incredibly alert, relying on their sharp vision and hearing to detect threats. They can run at speed of up to 55 miles per hour to outrun predators. Horses also communicate with their herds through facial expressions. Isn't that fascinating? Whether it's the zebra's stripes, the giraffe's height, or the deer's leap, each of these prey animals has unique adaptations that help them survive in the wild. They are not just food for predators, they play a vital role in maintaining the jungle's balance. Which fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Animal Park for more incredible animal adventures. See you next time. Bye.